Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make line with rounded corners in Microsoft Word. So for that, let's go quick into the process. We need first to open Microsoft Word, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document. So first is I'm going to teach you on how you can insert a line into your Microsoft Word. So at the ribbon, you will find the Insert tab. Click on that. And here you will find shapes. Click on this drop down arrow. And here you will find lines. Choose the straight line and then just simply drag this and draw this on your document. Okay. Now let's choose the outline and then the thickness or the width of this line. Okay, so once you have added the line, next thing that we need to do is to make the line with rounded corners. So as you can see, the corners of each line is not round. So how can we turn this into rounded corners? First is you need to select the line. Click the line and then go back to the Home tab. And here you will find Font. Okay, you need to go clicking on the shape format. Then here you will find this option for the shape styles. Okay, so it's not in the Home tab. So you need to select the line first in order to come up with this tab. If you're not choosing the line, you will find or you will not find the Shape Format tab. So click on the line and you'll find the Shape Format tab. And here you'll find Shape Styles and then this arrow next to that Shape Styles word, which is the Format Shape. Click on that. And here you'll find this window on the right pane. Now you will find here Cap Type. Click on this drop down arrow and you'll find round. Click on that. Now once done, close this window. And that's it. You can see that the line is now turned into rounded corners. Okay? So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.